we need this string right here, okay? And make sure you don't have it as a string. Make sure you just pop it in as a variable string, like that, as game object. And then once we have that, and it's been instantiated, we can go into here and go player go dot transform dot position equals start. Not a start coroutine. Start position. What? Oh, you have to. Yeah, probably. New vector 3. No. No, we're not doing that. Equals start position. And it shouldn't whine about. Why? Oh, no, no. Oh, yeah, that's right. Every single time. See, if you were in Unity script, their little Java version of it, you could do it. But because you're in this one, you have to do vector 3s. And wouldn't it be easier just to do this then? Load, instantiate, then resource.load this in, not do this, and then it should ask for a vector 3 position. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, because that sucks. Why in the world would you want start position dot position? Yeah, I know it's weird name, and it's start position dot rotation. I need rotation. Rotation. And then it should be happy. But we have to cast it as a game object still, because it's doing a resource.load. If you don't do it that way, it will whine and complain, and it won't be happy. Inconsistent line ending, blah blah blah. I don't care. Go is never. Yes, it is. It's assigned, so whatever. You're being stupid. Player go. We don't need this. So doing it this way, we can go right into our resource.load. We can get the string name of this, okay? Which you can go over, let it try to do a rename, Control C, and Control V that bad boy. Control C and Control V that bad boy. And the transform, let's just put it right here. So basically, it'll be right where we want it to be. And then it should work perfectly fine. Yep, see? Our little guy went right there, and it popped him right into 0, 0 position. Right where we want. Okay. That probably lagged out the stream real bad or something. I don't know. Because this isn't a great computer. That's okay. That's okay. I can live. And he pops in just fine. But he is in world units really, really high. Right? Yeah. And here's another thing that I'm going to tell you guys because this will deal with you. When you do a lot of your models and everything, it'll be in different sizes. Don't drag it in here and then size it, okay? Because it's going to be all wacky and it'll be a different size versus every model. What you want to do instead of doing that is in your actual model like this that brings up all your animation and stuff, there's a size factor here. Adjust that. Keep your model right here that you instantiate in the world at 111. Because later on, if we do any parenting, it will change the units and it'll act all goofy. You'll go like one moment you'll be 111 and then you'll be in local units where it's going to be a lot smaller. You'll see your player go like bigger to smaller, and that's how you cure that a lot. And parenting is a lot less performant, like friendly, than um, taking in script and putting it update. Hey, do this, and basically, hey, keep my size this big all the time. It's just more performant. I mean, there's other things that you can do, like put another game object in and vice versa, but it's more of a headache than it's worth, I think. So we done our player into the world like so, okay? But the problem is we want this player to do something else, okay? A player needs, well, we don't need this to be in, no, yeah, no. We can make sure this goes here, protected. And then, because this looks like the only script that's going to do this, we are going to go up to here and put serializable. Okay, but it's not going to be public anymore. It's going to be non-modifiable by here. Okay. Now, you won't see much of a difference right, not there, right here is because we're serializing the field. Okay. See this game object right here, that's a good target that we can use for get component without doing some silly code like game object dot find for player go equals game object. Where? What? I know I. Game object find I know for a fact has a declaration thing where you can declare. Yeah, yeah, I know you can. I'm not freaking going insane here. No better than it. See, game object find. Okay, and it goes. So why can't? Is it because I had it in a lowercase? game object dot yeah. See, you got game object dot find objects for tag where you can do an array, find objects of type. And the reason why you don't use this method unless you absolutely have to, like one time maybe in your application loading or something, is because it's slow. I mean, it is turd slow. Unity guys don't even use it because it's just slow. It's not even worth it. I don't even know why it's an API. I mean, I guess if you want to do a coroutine and like wait till everything's found and then go, it would be okay, but it's just nonsense to me. Waste of performance. Find child's faster. So we got that. So let's see what we are. Document outliner. Where are we at currently right now? Document outline. Okay, spawn the player after we load data. We may need into the world. Yeah, my sentence structure sucks. That's for sure. So let's see where it wasn't mouse look, wasn't base behavior, player class. Wait a minute, where did that script go that we had there? Did it just disappear to the world? That would suck, because I actually want to work with that script. Okay. So what data could we possibly need in this world here? Okay. Thanks, phone, for telling me you're charged. Now you'll be uncharged in about 15 minutes. Silly thing. And that would be it. So, let's see. What could we want? Well, we're definitely going to probably want our XML stuff, because that sounds like something that we're going to want. So where's our XML serialization thingy? Weapon setup. Okay. So we're definitely going to need some saving here. Okay. Which is fine. We expected that anyway. Well, wait. Actually, no. Well, yeah. Well, the thing about that is it all comes down to what you're going to need for your particular game. And the thing about XML, it's super fast, yes, but the thing about it is sometimes it's better to have smaller bits to load in than larger ones. Okay? Because in the world, I can imagine, okay, you're going to have a depository of, you're going to want places where you can deposit weapons. Like, let's say in Fallout, okay, when you go up to like some ice cream big old box thing, like in your house or out in the world, each one of those are depositories that would save like your items that you have. Okay, so each item you're gonna have is going to be, a weapon, let's say, or armor, or heck, I don't even know. Okay, so we're gonna have a list of each individual type anyway. So what we're gonna need is a place where we can stick it. So in the world, it would be a good place for like world unit stuff. Stuff that's out in the world that's been spawned in at runtime, what it is, and what could we use to save that. Because I don't see you spawning like 100 guns in and then You know, you could always have a timer to destroy them later.